Hey, you want some?
Sure.
Hey, I got you.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm cooking sausage.
Okay, but like, no one cooks their sausage for like that long at all. It doesn't even say, like, on the box, it just says like 1 minute for 5 links. Like, that's like not even real time. Like, you just do like a minute and 9 seconds. You don't do 69 seconds. That's not a thing.
Okay, I don't get what the big deal is with me setting it for this amount of time. I mean, it's just gonna cook the same. If anything, it's to be like overcooked, like 9 seconds over. But like the numbers were just like right next to each other on the thing, so it made sense.
You know what? You do you, okay? I'm not even really hungry, so I don't want any anyway. What is so funny?
Nothing.